This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Sue Hilton. Delightful and sunny 3-bed, 2-bath oasis with open living / dining / kitchen facing private backyard and pretty landscaping. Step into a welcoming floor plan that allows for privacy. Quality built and lovingly maintained. This home features 9-feet ceilings, skylights, a wall of windows, and good vibes throughout. Newer stainless fridge and D/West, tiled backsplash, granite counters, and undermount sink and refreshed kitchen. From winter heather to late blooming dahlias in the fall, the yard is diverse and colorful iris, tulips, daisies, hydrangeas, lilies, amaryllis, magnolia and apple trees with plenty of room and sun for vegetable / herb gardens. Just blocks to Blaine waterfront and Drayton Harbor. Home has been pre-inspected. For more information